Morning, y'all. It's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and today we're going to talk about a little mini coffee haul. And we're going to do an unboxing because I bought something new for my coffee bar, y'all. Also, if you hear any noise in the background, that is either my pit or my Pomeranian. And my Pomeranian was also snoring throughout the video. We're going to start with this oat milk latte. Y'all, it is caramel. It says caramel comfort. It has non-dairy creamer. The original price is $7.36, and I only paid $1.99. It only has 10. It has 10 pods in each, so I got 20. So if this is good, probably go back this weekend and buy a few more, because it's hard to find a non-dairy. It's a no for me, y'all. Just no. Quick update. We tried this coffee and it is not our favorite. Didn't like it. All right, so moving on. We got this one now. This one's from Ollie's, the outlet store that's right by our house, and this one is also. This original price is $9.99, and I got it for $5.99. They have 18 cups. It's vanilla flavor. I've never tried this, but I gave some of these coffee as gifts, but it wasn't vanilla. I don't remember which flavor it was, but often if I see some coffee, especially being in like the sample packs, I like to pick a couple of them and give them out as just because gifts. And I know that the people I'm giving it to probably would never have tried it if I didn't give it to them. So, and I just, love to share. So, have not tried this yet. So from Ollie's, I've never heard of this brand, but this is a cappuccino mix, a French vanilla. There's 12 cups in here. Original price is $5.99. We got it for $4.49. I thought, why not? Although this does contain milk, and unlike this one, it didn't really tell you what brew setting to put it on, so I did have to play with that. This one lets you know that you need an 8-ounce. I like when it tells you the brew setting. I get this variety pack from Aldi's. Thinking about giving these out as gifts around Christmas, or just because gift for some people in my family that I think would enjoy this. So you have 3 medium roasts, which is the caramel one, the mocha one, and the cinnamon nut one. And then you have the light roast, which is the blueberry. Love it. And as you can see, hopefully the lighting is good. Yeah. It says the caramel one is the sweet and buttery. Mocha is rich and chocolatey. Cinnamon nut is warm and nutty. And then your blueberry is fresh and fruity. I think this is a good gift ideal. I think any coffee lover would love this. So I always try to pick up a box or two when I go to Aldi's. Now, usually I get my coffee, besides this particular one from Aldi's, I usually get it from Keurig because I have a subscription to Keurig. So we're going to unbox something that I had bought from Keurig. This was not my usual order. but I was buying something that I've been wanting to buy, and I thought I would share it with y'all. Okay, one of my first videos was Brew the Love, a coffee haul that I did, if you ever watched that video. So like I said, I do auto delivery, often from Keurig. I don't do it every month. I do it like every 3 months. So I buy enough coffee pretty much to last me 3 months. And then, you know, I buy some like you just saw. So today we're gonna unbox this, y'all. I bought 1 box of coffee, and I bought something that's gonna go on our coffee bar. First, we're gonna go over the coffee I bought. It is this original donut shop coffee brand, and it is white chocolate and vanilla. It's 24 in the box. I've tried this a couple years ago. Don't remember don't remember if we liked it or not. I'm gonna guess maybe we did. My husband picked this out. So, but y'all, this is what I'm excited about. This right here. Y'all, I've been waiting to do. I bought a frother. I bought the Keurig brand, and I thought this is what I bought, that I would unbox it with y'all. Look how beautiful. And then you have the base here. And then I think it just fits on there. And we got the top. So I'm going to give all this a wash before I use it. Okay, the top is airtight. Love it. Yeah, I can't wait to try this. Probably gonna be using this tomorrow. But I wanted to unbox it with y'all first and show my new cute kitchen appliance that I absolutely love. Yeah. It's a hot and cold milk frother. And as you can see, it comes with the lid, the whisk in the middle to froth. You got your base. It has the, let's see if you can see it. It's right here, but it has like, I don't know if you can see it in the light. Oh, it's on this side. Right here, the max line to fill it up to. Very simple. It has a cold froth and level 1, 2, and 3 of a hot froth. Each of those creates a different type of froth. You know, like if you want to make lattes and cappuccinos, hot coffee, cold coffee. You can use any type of milk. Like I said, I often use non-dairy milk. and like almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, and you can use any dairy alternative or any milk. Of course, the froth may look different depending on the types of milk that you use. But setting 1 is for steamed milk or a light froth. Setting 2 is for a standard froth for most milks. And setting 3 is ideal for non-dairy and dairy alternatives. And then, of course, like I said, you have your cold foam. I'll show you the... Okay, let's see if it's going to focus. Seems pretty simple. You just press right here where the K is at to your desired setting. Y'all, I'm so happy about this. It's really the little things. But I'm going to probably revamp my coffee bar, and I need to save all the new coffee that we just got. But I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini haul. I thought I would just share. And I hope y'all have a great day. It is a new week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I am India, Miss Butterfly, if you are new.